Hey guys, let's check out free cash plus coupons of Swiggy Instamart. As you see in the picture, I'm showing you the first coupon as how you can get. You can go to Cred app as shown in the picture. You can click on rewards. If you don't know what is Cred app, I'll provide a video in the I button and screen and description box. You can check out. Free gift also is available. Once you go to rewards, you can scroll down and you will see here the feature deals. You can click on Swiggy Instamart banner. Once you click on that, you can claim the voucher or the coupon, whatever you call. And this coupon is unique for each user. Okay, as shown in the picture, you can pull down the Swiggy Instamart icon. Once you pull down, a voucher will pop up as shown in the picture. And now you can copy the voucher code. This is 100 rupees voucher, which you can apply at the checkout. While placing the order on Swiggy Instamart, as you see in the picture, you can copy the voucher code and apply the checkout, which I'll show you in some time. Hello, namaste. How are you doing? Hope you're happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch really good videos and offers. As you see in the picture, you can go to Swiggy app, click on Instamart, and give in the search bar as rice 26 kg. Because rice is available at 50% off, which we have ordered. As you see in the picture, this is Sona Masuri rice. Okay, now you can add to the cart the rice bag 26 kg, and you can go to coupons and apply the Cred coupon, which was shown previously on Cred app that I copied, and you can also do the same thing and apply the coupon at the checkout and get 100 off on your order. Okay, not only Cred coupon, one more coupon is available, which I'll show you in the later part of the video. Coming to free cash, Swiggy is giving free cash on food and Instamart. As you see in the picture, we have ordered these veggies at 30% off plus free cash, and you can also order likewise, and you have free delivery as well. There's no minimum order to use free cash. Okay, we'll see how to place order by using this free cash and coupon applied at the checkout. As you see in the picture, you can go to Swiggy app and you can click on Instamart. Once you click, you can check out the deals for the day. And here you have steel deals and hot deals. If you want veggies or groceries, you have 30% to 50% off. You can check out as shown in the picture. And if any of you going for your first order, that first order being veggies and fruits, and you can have free gift added to your cart automatically. As you see in the picture, you can add strawberries at 55 rupees and go to cart after adding all the products. And here you can see 50 free cash being added automatically, and you can go to coupons and apply the coupon as flat 100 as shown in the picture. Once you apply the coupon, you can get back and see whether the free cash is applied or not as shown in the picture. Once you confirm that, you can place your order. That's it, done. After placing the order, you can check out something special for you, and you have this mayo #1 brand on Swiggy. You can check out, and you have this font. You can also go visit that. If you're interested, you can place your order with good deals from Swiggy Instamart. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Do subscribe. Don't forget.